Welcome to this guided meditation for releasing overthinking. This meditation will guide you away from the maze of overthinking and into a haven of peace and tranquility. By investing this time in yourself, you're taking an important step toward mental clarity and calmness. May you find a spot where you feel secure and undisturbed. This can be a quiet corner in your room or a soft patch of grass outdoors. As you settle down, whether you choose to sit or lie down, it's important to make sure that you're comfortable. Adjust your posture if you need to, and close your eyes. This is your time, your moment of respite. The outside world, with its rush and noise, will still be there when we're done. For now, just be here, present with yourself. Breathe in deeply, pulling the air through your nostrils, feeling its coolness as it travels down to your lungs. Let it fill you up, and then exhale slowly, experiencing the warmth of the air as it leaves your mouth. Our breath is always present, always supportive. Continue this breathing pattern. Deep inhalations and slow exhalations. With each breath, visualize tranquility flowing in and tension flowing out. Now shift your consciousness to your physical self. Beginning at the crown of your head, imagine a gentle wave of relaxation flowing down. It soothes your forehead, eases the muscles around your eyes, and relaxes your jaw. Allow this gentle wave to continue its journey, releasing tension from your neck, shoulders, arms, and all the way down to the tips of your toes. With each passing second, your body sinks into a deeper state of relaxation. Now bring your attention gently to the thoughts that are occupying your mind. Allow them to flow naturally without trying to control or direct them. As they come, notice their nature. What stories are they telling? Are they reflections of what's truly happening in your life? Or are they projections, what ifs, assumptions? Try your best not to judge or evaluate them. Merely be an observer, noting each thought as if you were watching leaves float down a calm stream. When you feel the weight of thoughts pressing in, or when they start to race in repetitive loops, remember the anchor that's always with you, your breath. Whenever you may find yourself overthinking, draw your attention to your breathing. The cool sensation as you inhale, the gentle warmth as you exhale. Each breath is an opportunity to reset, to pull yourself out of the whirlwind of overthinking and back to the steady ground of the present. Every thought you have is like a leaf on that river, appearing for a brief moment before being swept away by the current. Just as you wouldn't dive into the river to chase after a leaf, there's no need to chase after each thought that enters your mind. Instead, you can stand firmly on the bank, observing without interference. Remember, thoughts are natural occurrences of the mind. Just like the river, they are in constant motion. Sometimes they come rushing in like a turbulent wave, while at other times they trickle in gently. Either way, you have the power to decide how you want to interact with them. You can choose to be a passive observer, noting each thought without attachment, or you can engage with them, diving deep into the currents of your mind. As you continue to watch the leaves and sticks, notice how some may catch your attention more than others. Some thoughts might be vibrant, colorful, or intense, while others are dull and fleeting. Just as with the objects in the river, acknowledge them without judgment. See them for what they are: mere thoughts, transient and impermanent. Each time you find yourself being lured by a particular thought or memory, gently bring your attention back to your breath and the image of the flowing river. In life, just as on the riverbank, there will be times when we're surrounded by a whirlwind of thoughts and emotions. But with practice, we can learn to stand still amid the chaos, watching our thoughts without being swept away. Feel the freedom that comes with knowing you have the choice to engage or let go. Embrace the simplicity of just being present, understanding that your true essence is beyond the fleeting thoughts that pass through your mind. Slowly begin to return to your surroundings. Feel the weight of your body, the surface beneath you, and the air around you. Become aware of the ambient sounds, the rhythm of life continuing its dance. But amidst this, you are changed, even if just a little. More aware, more cantered, and more at peace. When you're ready, open your eyes gently. Taking your surroundings with a sense of newness, as if seeing them for the first time. As you move forward, whether it's back to daily tasks, interactions, or challenges, know that you are equipped, strengthened with the light of tranquility. Every challenge, every moment of doubt, is an opportunity to tap into this wellspring of peace.